Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting. On the application of LinkedIn, you will go here to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list here, you will search about LinkedIn app. After that, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your time.